the Shangshou Rubik Cube. It's the mirror one. Oh, this is the impact one. There's the golden color. I like it. This is A4 bat, and this is quite really smooth to me. But there's a gold color. This is the silver color. Well, there's also a black color, but I already got a silver one. Open it. Tools. Whoa. Get that. Whoa. There's tools. Well, this really comparatively different to the 2x2 because this one changes colors, mix the colors. So this one mixes the shape because it's already mixed the shape and moved to the same place. So I'm going to show the second one first because I never showed you before. Whoa. And the J prime. This is what it looks like when the J prime looks like. I never show you why did I do this at home. And here we go. But I'm not good at solving this cube, but next time I should train about it, so I need to solve it. Well, I'm going not to solve it first, but this is quite fun to me too. So,